birthday, Mama. We love you. We love you. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. We love you. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. ऐसे करते. We love you.
Happy birthday, Nita. May God bless you with all the things you want. Stay happy always. And stay the same as you are. Cheerful, brave, confident, loving, fun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nita Masi.
Happy birthday, Anita. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anita. Happy birthday to you.
Hope your special day feels as wonderful as you are. Happy birthday to you, Nita हुआ. God bless you always. पूता माता की आशीष निमक ना विसरो तुमको हर हर सदा भजो जगदीश.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अनिता। आपको शुभकामनाएं सारे परिवार की तरफ से।
Hi Anita, happy birthday to my Chatterbox partner. I hope you have a great day today. I know you as a fierce lady, always ready to take risks, whether it's on the road or on stock markets. An amazing co-worker, an amazing friend, a doting mother. I'm so glad that we got to be friends. And happy birthday once again. I hope you get all the blessings and all the happiness in life. Happy birthday once again. Hello Anita, wish you a very very happy birthday. Keep up your energy and adventurous spirit through the next year and forever. I wish you bigger dreams, more adventures and more stories to tell. Have fun.
Happy birthday, Anita. Wishing you a very fabulous day ahead. And you have always been my junk food partner. And I will miss all the road trips and the road junk food that we used to have. So keep rocking and love you again. Happy birthday.
Hello, my constant. Wish you a great birthday. When I got message from Gaurav कि गौरव इज प्लानिंग सरप्राइज फॉर अनीता थ्रू वीडियो, मैंने कहा अनीता ने गौरव को इतना ट्रेन कर दिया कि गौरव वीडियो बना रहा है. They want to come in the video first more than me. Say happy birthday Anita Masi.
Happy birthday, Anita Masi.
Advik.
Hello, happy birthday, Anita Masi.
Yeah. बस यही बोलूँगी, stay the way you are. और मेरे को बहुत बहुत याद आती है, ये सच्ची बताऊँ तो, कैसे मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइस देती है, यहाँ पैसे मत डाल, वहाँ डाल, ऐसे पैसे वेस्ट करती है, शॉपिंग मत करा कर, हैं कितने पैसे वेस्ट करती है. और वो हमारी मेट्रो वाली बातें, ऑफिस से कितने बजे निकलेगी, जल्दी जल्दी आ जा, और मेट्रो में चल के बातें करना, भीड़ में धक्का धक्की. बहुत याद आती है. यहाँ पे तो कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है ना, कोई बंदा निकलता है बाहर. बड़ा बड़ा मिस करती हूँ मैं वो दिन. सच में चाहती हूँ वो वाले दिन वापस आ जाए. और बस लास्ट में चलिए गाना गाऊंगी छोटा सा, हंसियो मत. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, छोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. Happy birthday girl, enjoy your day, bye.
Hi Anita, very happy birthday. So we have been knowing each other for more than 16 years, and having you around is very comforting. I have learned my life lessons by just watching you be you. And so I really wish you awesome life ahead, full of laughter and and fulfilling whatever you have ever longed for, and never change. Keep dragging me into your adventures because I need more stories. I keep telling our stories of road rage, going to those musical events, and you taking me to and pushing me to to cross my boundaries. So thank you, Anita, for everything, and thank you, Gaurav, for giving me this chance to able to wish Anita in this manner. Thank you.
Hi Anita, wish you a very, very happy birthday. It's been a pleasure knowing you. You have been my first manager, and you will always hold a very special place in my heart. And over the years, we have been able to stay in touch even though we have lived in different cities. And I still distinctly remember when you came to hire me, right? And that moment is etched in my heart, right? It made me really feel very proud that the team that you were recruiting was the most sought after team in EXL, and you kind of wanted me on board, and then we had a great run, and then attending your wedding, seeing you through your motherhood journey, it's been really very inspiring. You have always been very inspiring with the amount of energy and the zest for life that you have. I never cease to get amazed by it. So even though we have not been physically in touch, not been able to meet for let's say more than a decade now, but you are very much a part of my memories and psyche, right, in terms of how inspiring women should be, who can manage both a career as well as a happy healthy home with bright kids. So, and in fact, one more nice point is that you and I you became a mother for the second time, and I became a mother for the first time in 2022 again. So that's also a very nice common point. And I really have immense respect for you, Anita, and I truly wish you all the very best in all spheres of your life. And please keep shining and smiling like this. You are an amazing personality, you are an amazing team leader, you groomed all of us so well, and you are a foodie also, so that's also one point I really love and miss. That's a common point between us. And I am so glad that Gaurav sir reached out to us to help us be a part of this video for your birthday. So I'm really thankful for to him as well, and wish you all the very best in your life ahead. Wishing you a very happy birthday. You share your birthday with a great man, Netaji Subhash, and you are also as charismatic and as a daredevil, right, as him. And so always kudos to you, and thank you for being a part of my life.
Happy birthday, Anita. May all your dreams come true, and wish you the best of health, wealth, fame and success on your special day from, as you know, the most irritating person in the world. Happy birthday once again.
سوي لي وقفة دانا هيبة عيل سوي رقصة بياض جيب لي واحد كرك يلا بياض طق سيارة بوليس يلا يلا سوي رقصة ثانية رقصة البطريق ولا سبة كيمان يا أخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا أخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة